I don't even think it matters. I mean, छोटे कपड़े नहीं छोटी सोच है. It really doesn't matter whether she's in a skirt, sari or suit. Rather, it's all about the mindset that people have kept inside their head. And it's time to change the mindset and not the dressing code. I really don't understand. I mean, I am a girl and I feel unsafe even if I'm in a full sari outfit. Girls still used to be stared and stalked by those inhuman people wandering out there. Then how could someone blame the dress? It's time for us to bust up the myths that people have kept inside their head. Believing in such myths is just gonna do nothing except exonerating the perpetrator. If we girls feel good and comfortable in it, then we are glad at whatever we wear. It really doesn't matter. It's our choice.
If you think sexual assault takes place only at night, then you haven't seen the whole scenario yet. A lot of horrific incidents takes place in the daylights also. So what's the solution for this? Should we be locked up in a room all day long? No, that's not the solution. Our parents ask us hundreds of questions whenever we go outside. Like, where are you going? With whom are you going? Don't go alone. Please come back before it gets dark. We can understand it's their genuine concern for us. But do you think that's the solution? No, that's not the solution. The solution is teach the kids the moral education and the sex education in their younger age itself. That can solve a lot of problems. As far as the timing is concerned, like, we should be able to go whenever we want, if it's a day or night, and make the road more safer for us. And don't lock us up.
Sober had anything to do with sexual assault, then I don't think small kids would have ever been the victims of rape. And a drunk woman is not an open opportunity. She is still a human and she is entitled to all the respect and freedom and dignity that she does when she is sober. If a person who is drunk becomes the victim of sexual assault, then kind of all the blame is pulled up on them. It is shown that it was their fault and a lot of victim blaming goes around that, which in turn increases the rape culture in India. And at the same time, if a drunk person commits a rape, then things are said that he was under the influence of alcohol or he had no control over himself, which is completely wrong. I think alcohol acts as an excuse in there, which is completely wrong. I think if a person is likely to commit a rape, then he will do it or she will do it whether they are drunk or whether they are sober. And I think that alcohol might make you vulnerable towards rape, might make you more vulnerable towards rape, but it can never act as a cause of rape and it can never justify the acts of a rapist.
Is it really true that the rape victims only came from the places where people muster the least? You go from Delhi to Mumbai because it is safe and then this happens. So where should a girl go? How does that even matter? We now can hardly say that which city or place is better in terms of safety. From fields to house parties, from schools to even the godly centers, we have heard that rape cases has been taken place almost everywhere. Equality preserves in both the sexes. Every individual of this country has given the right to live its life freely. So why can't we? Yes, she is a lady. She has the right to live her life freely. And literally no one has the right to cut her path and to block her.
Those who rape are not interested in the name, address, religion of those they are raping. It's just a conflict that the people want to provoke. There is no war between Hindus and Muslims. It's just the belief, the mindset that the people don't want to change. Blaming a particular religion for whatever is happening is not going to work, except creating the conflict. Stop blaming the religion. There should not be any tolerance when it comes to sexual harassment, violence in the space in which we live, work and play.
मैं इस महान देश की एक आम हूँ नारी,
पर मेरे अपने ही लोगों की नजर मुझ पर पड़ी भारी।
घर से मंजिल तक एक खौफ अपने ही शहर में,
क्या बेटी सही सलामत लौटेगी वापस अपने ही घर में?